This is a pain scale. 1 meaning no symptoms. 10 is severe symptoms. She created her own and put 11.
I swear I couldn't. That's the way I could describe how painful it was. Thank you. I feel better.
Relax.
Thank you.
She said,
Thank you.
this wasn't there. This wasn't what I was expecting.
Yes.
Relax. Don't
Yeah, I
move
can't
yet.
feel it.
Wait. Relax. There's pain?
No pain.
You don't even have pain right
No
now?
pain.
Come on.
Okay. See? No pain. God.
What's going on?
My neck hurts.
Your neck hurts. What happened?
I probably put pressure on my neck
Okay. When did it start?
this morning.
So you woke up and then...
I woke up no pain, then I leaned on this, I think this side of my neck, and yeah, when I stood up, I couldn't move it anymore.
Okay. So it's 3 o'clock now, so around what, noon?
Around like 9:30 a.m.
Is when you've been in this position.
Yes,
And everything is painful.
yes, this side.
If I touch it, is it painful?
No, not that side, this side.
So here is where you're feeling the pain.
There's not even pain there, I'm just...
Yeah. It's only when you try to turn your
Yes,
neck. Okay.
you know, so I can't even feel any pain, you know.
Okay, so we've done X-ray.
That was good. Hey,
It's
good.
looking-
Okay, are you sure? I'll be kid. You don't know I'll be kid. I know you very well.
You okay? Okay, face this way. So we've done the X-ray. We're going to do the scan. So when you try to turn your head, you just try. Let's see.
What did you do? Okay.
Wow.
I thought you did so. Okay, I can move I can turn, but I can't bend.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, you can turn, but you can't.
Yes, I
you
can't bend
bend
to the side.
sideways.
Yes. Should I do it had gone on? What did you do?
Well, there's power in touch. So don't think I have to make an adjustment. Don't think I have to make an adjustment. If I touch you now, healing can start happening. You understand? Come, sit here. This is a pain scale. 1 meaning no symptoms. 10 is severe symptoms. She created her own and put 11.
I swear I couldn't. That's the way I could describe how painful it was. But it is.
And she's nice enough to even continue the line. Put the...
That's the only way I could explain it.
Now, the lower back, you're not feeling any pain.
No.
Now, remember when I talked about during consultation that this didn't happen overnight.
Okay.
This is one of those things where, due to bad posture, using too many pillows or not using a pillow. So, due to the stress you put on the neck,
Okay.
is now when you did this to come back, it basically has reached its threshold.
Yeah.
Right? It's kind of like when people say they just turn to pick something up and they can't move anymore. It wasn't that second. It was over time,
Yes.
the body being under stress. So you can see straightness here. You can see the deviation here in the lower back, and you don't have any pain there. Now, the area you're having symptomatic pain is the neck area. Multiple things. It's supposed to be a curvature here. Your own is literally going the opposite way. See the space here between the occiput and atlas? You can see your own. Alright, so there's no fracture or instability, so it's more of spinal, and then the muscles are tense and under too much tension and spasm. So this is one of those ones after you're going to scream. It's not, because if you can't turn your head on your own, to now create that adjustment is not going to be easy. But
Wow.
it's something that we have to do to allow mobility and functionality and blood flow and circulation and so on.
Okay.
but you'll be okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we have work to do. Now, also another thing that's kicking in is fear, which is not helping. Right, just relax. You came here for a reason.
Okay.
Just relax. Anything that I'm doing, obviously we've done the analysis. So it's not like you just walked in and said you can't move your neck. And I said, okay, come sit down. Let me do it forcefully. Right? Everything I'm doing is based off of the findings. Okay. And the good thing is when I'm doing this, is this painful? Okay. So you'll be okay. But to bend it this way now.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I'm going this way. Is it okay?
It's okay.
Okay, so we'll go the way that's okay first.
Okay.
You can turn it, right? Can you turn?
No, not really.
Not really, but you have to try.
Okay.
Turn to your right. Keep going. You did it before you started. You thought I did something. You'll be okay. Just turn on your own. Turn on your own right side. Keep going. Keep going.
God help me. Be hurting.
Okay, bring your head down sideways. Bring your head back. Let's relax.
I can't move this side.
Relax, relax. Breathe.
This one is going to be so painful.
Use your nose to breathe.
Okay, okay. Oh,
Relax,
I can't move
relax,
it.
relax.
I can't. What did you just do?
Relax.
Oh.
No, bring your hand down. I can,
Wait, it's so
wait
painful.
now. Listen, I can do this.
You no. Oh. Okay, wait. Let me just go on. Any help?
Can I go there?
Because all she's going to do is squeeze your own life away.
Okay. I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go.
Breathe. When you do you have to hold your breath to do
Okay.
So it's very you.
Yeah, that's the side.
So I'm using this before I can.
Okay.
I'm using this to activate the area first before I can make the actual adjustments. Is this painful a little?
It is. I'm just holding it.
Keep holding.
Oh, God. Oh. God, I wonder how I'm going to do this. Okay.
Yes.
Wait.
I won't do it by force.
Please,
I
no,
won't do
it's
it.
painful. I swear,
I
it's
would.
so
I know.
painful.
I know. I won't do it
You
by
know
force.
how painful this is? So painful.
All I'm doing is trying to see how much I can move it, but I won't surprise you.
Okay.
Okay? I'm not doing any adjustment. It's just small movements to see how much. I won't do any adjustment.
I know it's so painful. I wish you can understand.
Does the pain shoot down?
No.
It's just that localized.
Wait, can I do this? Can I do this?
Yes.
Okay.
Is it still painful?
Yes, so painful. Okay, I'm going to brace up now. Thank God. It's still there. Okay. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. We're sitting up. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad.
Oh, what happened? I can't hear well. Tell me.
It's not that bad. But it's still hot to be.
Relax. The goal is for you to at least allow me to. See, this upper area is very.
Yes.
Okay, do this. Lie face down. Come in, right? And you laugh. The screaming is loud. The laughing is just small. Oh, wow.
It wasn't painful.
Say it. I can't hear well today. What did you say? It wasn't painful, but you screamed. But it was more surprising, yeah? Relax. Stomach down.
No, I'm enjoying it.
Relax one more here. Deep breath in. And out.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I know that one was painful.
Yes. How do you do this?
The things I go through.
I'm telling you.
You're not telling me. It's me that said it. So I'm telling you. You can come up. Don't do anything. Just relax. It's not time yet.
Check everything.
But I like this one.
Come to this one. And down. Is this painful when I'm doing this?
Not really.
Okay. Is this painful?
Yes.
Okay, relax.
Okay.
Remember, we're on the same team.
Oh, yeah, true.
Bring your leg to the table. Is this still painful? Easier? Okay, so I'll stretch and then I'll make a quick adjustment.
Okay.
It's not going to feel good,
Okay, it's okay.
but after the
But
fact,
it feels better this way.
so just relax.
Okay.
Remember to breathe, okay? Bring your hand to your side, back to your stomach.
Oh, thank you. I feel better.
Relax.
Thank you.
She said,
Thank you.
this wasn't there. This
Thank
wasn't what I was expecting.
Yes.
Relax. Don't
Yeah, I
move
can't
yet.
feel it.
Wait. Relax.
That was quick.
Relax.
I was waiting to hear.
I thought she was going to scream. And
No, I can't feel it again. I can't feel it again. I'm not joking. I can't. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you. Should I stand up? I swear, God, I can't explain it. It was too painful.
I was still waiting for the pull. Like, I didn't
As in, this
know
is the
that
best one you did. This other one, there's no way I would have done it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am.
Oh
Thank
my God.
you. The struggle.
What is it?
What they
Is
did.
less pain?
No pain.
You don't even have pain right
No
now?
pain.
Come on.
Okay. See? No pain. God.
Try to keep your head straight.
No pain. Oh, but it's just small here.
Try to keep your head straight.
But it's better than before.
Have both feet on the ground.
Okay.
Now, the thing is, you're like this because for many hours
Yeah, I've been
you
like
stay
that,
like this
yes.
because of fear and pain.
Yeah.
Okay.
Relax.
No pain.
No, I'm laughing because she's not jumping and trying to grab my hand.
No pain. I actually feel very relieved.
Oh goodness.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Like that here. That's it.
So this was the side you couldn't bend
Yes.
before.
Stop.
Oh God. Come on, you rest for about 15-20 minutes.
Okay.
And then we'll go from there.